My system of feng shui is called classical feng shui, and classical means you actually refer to the original text. And these original texts, none of this talks about the placement of objects. You know, the placement of objects in feng shui, you know, you put dragon, tiger, toad, cockroach, all that. That one is basically an invention of business people today. You know, it started in Taiwan where, you know, let's make some money of these fools and they create something. But, you know, in actual practice of feng shui, none of this requires you to put something. It talks about direction, location, and time. So that's what feng shui is, environmental study. It's about energy, okay? And when we talk about astrology, many people say, oh, are you predicting the future? Can you really predict the future? Let me tell you now, we cannot absolutely predict the future. You know, my business is not to tell you your future. My business is to help you create your future. You know, that's the difference. And how do you create your future? Is basically, first you must know who you are, and then you know what your gifts are, and then and only then you can behave and act accordingly to maximize your talents and subsequently become rich, you know. You know, if you don't know who you are, you don't know what you have, it is very unlikely you'll be successful. You will find your whole life in search of yourself. So that's why, you know, astrology or feng shui is basically about awakening human potential. And it's not about, you know, putting something in your house, which is my message and my field. You know, my purpose of doing astrology and feng shui is basically through education. We need people to be feng shui literate, to be astrology literate, to understand how it works. You got many types of decorations. It's just that, you know, we should not think that just having an object can change our lives. You know, we want to change our lives. It depends on our actions and the things that we do or don't do. You know, that's the most important thing. Now, many people say they want to change and become better, right? Most people know that they need to change. The problem is, do you know what to change or not? Well, you don't know what to change, and instead you just talk about changing. Change what, right? Change underwear, right? You don't know what to do. You must first know awareness is the first step of change, right? So astrology helps you become aware. And when you're aware, now you know what the heck you need to change. You know, that's what's all about.